Hey there, my lovers and friends. I asked you to give me your opinion on what my next wig try on should be, and now I'm here with the one you told me to do. So if you want to see the unveiling and unboxing of my next go-to wig, then you know what to do. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay, hey there, my lovers and friends. I'm fresh-faced and fresh twisted out and wig cap on because I told you last time I got a shit ton of new wigs, and I'm actually packing to go to LA, and now it's crunch time on which wigs will I be taking with me. Okay, so based on what y'all said, this is what y'all wanted to see. Yes, honey, it is Perm Romance, and she has been on my wish list for about a year now, and I've been waiting because I've been trying other bombshell wigs. I just told y'all about Vanity. Perm Romance is in competition with Vanity right now because I love that wig a lot, and I tried Blue Meadow. It yanked up on me real quick, so we're trying to see how this is. So this is by Sensationnel. This also can take heat, and says it has a pretty good stocking cap, so we'll see. And I got it in a color number 1, so this is going to be a direct comparison. So let's see if this slays. Okay, typical boxing shit. Oh, it got one of them rollers in it. Uh-oh. Okay, cool. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, it has 2 rollers in it. And let me cut this out. Wow, so one difference I see is the lace doesn't go from ear to ear. It's really just like lace in front of like the closure part. And woo, y'all, this part sucks. It is so full. Y'all know I like to put a wig on and go. So when this wig has work, that's already a minus for it. Oh Lord. We'll get the cutting the lace off. Now, some observations about the construction of this wig. It looks like they really sewed wefts. So this looks sturdy as F. To like a band too. A band that stretches. So that's pretty interesting. It has the typical, let me actually not say typical, because sometimes combs are at the part is non-existent. It's so damn full. Frustrating. I'm gonna go ahead and cross. This is a comb in the back too that I never use. I should just start cutting those out. I really hope that this is small head friendly. And I'm gonna take the rollers out. The body looks cute, so let's do it. Oh. Ooh. I'm gonna have to go to the beauty supply store. Sure, I'm about to order Danity all over again. Okay, the hair is definitely like a light yaki, and as you can see, it's very full on top. It's pretty long. It's as long as, like, it's reminding me, it's giving me length like Nisha. Y'all remember Nisha? Oh, she's pretty long. And it's thick on the top. Oh, man. It's giving me, like, what is that, Farrah Fawcett or whatever? I like the, okay, there's not much parting space, but I like the flatness on top. Is this, can I adjust this? Dang, I'm not winning. I don't like it. It's way more thicker. It's pretty damn long too. This has to be a good, it's coming to my belly button on the front. So maybe 30 inches. This is not it. I ain't winning. This order was not a win. Am I going to pack it? Yeah, I'm going to pack it because it's just way too thick and big. I like the lightness of the other wig, comparing it to the other wig a lot. Alright, I'm going to pack it because I done wore out my danity. Maybe if I do a deeper part, would that be better? Okay, so this versatility doesn't make it look too odd. It's just way bigger up here than I thought for my face. Alright, well, that's my first impressions of Perm Romance from Sensationnel. This is a color number 1, fresh out the package, and I'm like, I won't be getting this again. It's really, really big. This compares to not the same hair as Nisha, but like it's giving me like Nisha, really long type of vibes. It has different layers than Nisha, and it's a little bit lighter. The actual hair texture is lighter, but it's big up here. So I don't know about that for me. But I mean, this looks okay. I'm gonna wear it, but I don't think this is my bombshell compared to my other one. We'll see. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my unveiling of Perm Romance. I don't know about it, but appreciate your feedback. It looks like, you know, the part is pretty tight, but it looks like you have a lot of versatility with shifting this wig. But all in all, I don't think this is my go-to bombshell wig. So we're gonna keep looking. And I thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next week for another wig.